Hello, and welcome to an episode of Barlow's TV. I'm Stephen Barlow, here to talk to you about Hellebores. So the other day, I was walking through our perennial greenhouse at our farm, and I was looking at all our Hellebores, and I thought it'd be a great idea to talk to you guys about them. So Hellebores are an awesome perennial. They're actually an evergreen perennial that leaves generally don't die back in the wintertime. They actually grow in the winter. Hellebores are super unique because they actually do all of their growing when the temperatures are below 55 degrees. So in the middle of the winter, when it's cold, the ground's frozen, these guys actually start flowering. So even though it is the middle of the winter and nothing is growing outside, nothing's flowering, if you have these in your garden, they will start to flower and open. There's varieties that start flowering all the way from December all the way up until the beginning of spring. So what happens in the springtime and the summer with these guys? They actually go somewhat dormant, the opposite of most other plants. So what they're going to do is they're going to stop flowering, they're going to stop growing, and the leaves are kind of turn a little bit on the browner side, which is really unique to these. I just think they're so cool. If you look inside some of these flowers here, they have such great detail in the middle of the winter. There's this one right here, and then there's this one right over here, and they require hardly any care at all. You just want to put them in a shady spot in your garden. So somewhere that maybe in the wintertime it does get some nice sun, but in the summertime when it's really hot out, you want to make sure they're shaded, because if the roots are too hot, they will actually die. So you want to make sure they're in a nice shady spot, and they really like a nice humus, rich organic soil. Once they're planted, you generally do not have to water them at all. Just let them do their thing. They're going to continue to expand and grow. You can actually divide them to make more. That's how they make new ones, so you can divide them. So I think they're a great plant. I think you guys should take a look at them. We have a bunch here in our garden center right now for sale, and we will have them all the way through into the spring, and then we'll have them again in November. Once again, they're Hellebores, and take a look at them.